Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donut holes at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk. Also, have 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 packet of active dry yeast ready. These simple items are the foundation for your tasty treats. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Then, slowly incorporate the wet ingredients until a soft dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Finally, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. With your dough beautifully risen, it's time to shape those delicious donut holes. Gently roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a small round cutter or even a knife to create your desired donut hole shapes. Next, heat 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the donut holes in and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes, turning once, until they are a lovely golden brown. Almost there. Once your donut holes are fried, it's time for the finishing touches. You can prepare a simple glaze by whisking together powdered sugar and a little milk. While the donut holes are still warm, dip them into the glaze, ensuring they are fully coated. Alternatively, toss them in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar for a classic flavor. Serve these delightful treats warm for the absolute best experience. Enjoy your homemade donut holes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.